Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. Today we are looking at a logical problem. So the question is given: if 25x square plus 1 by x square equal to 5, then what is the value of 125 x cube plus 1 by x cube? So we are going to find this in two ways. So the second one will be very easy. So up to the end you watch the video. So as we are going to solve this problem, before starting, pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It appreciates us to make more videos. Thank you. So first of all, given 25x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 5. So this can be written as 5x whole square plus 1 by x whole square is equal to 5. So here, if you take 5x plus 1 by x whole square, so here you'll get 5x whole square plus 2 into 5x into 1 by x plus 1 by x whole square. So this can be written as here these two get cancelled. The value of these two is 5 plus this value is 10, 5 2s are 10, total you are getting 50 now. So 5x plus 1 by x is equal to square root of 15. Now cubing on both sides, 5x plus 1 by x whole cube is equal to root 15 whole cube. So here a cube 5x whole cube plus 3ab of a plus b, 3ab of a plus b plus b cube is equal to 15 root 5. So here x get cancelled. This value is of root 15. So 5x cube plus 15 root 15 plus 1 by x cube, this value is 50 now, is equal to 15 root 15. So 5x cube means here 125x cube. 125x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 15 root 15 minus 15 root 15. You are getting 0. So this is the first model. So if you go to the second model is very easy. So here what you'll get, you will take the first one, 25x square model 2. 25x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 5. So this can be written as 25x to the power of 4 plus 1 is equal to 5x square by taking LCM. So this can be written as 25x to the power of 4 minus 5x square plus 1 equal to 0. So this can be written as 5x square whole square minus 5x square into 1 plus 1 square equal to 0. So here we are having the formula a plus b into A square minus AB plus B square is equal to 0. So this we can write it as A plus B also equal to 0. 5x square, this is nothing but A cube plus B cube. A plus B whole cube. A cube plus B cube. So 5x square whole cube plus 1 cube is equal to 0. So 5x cube we can write as 125x power 6 plus 1 equal to 0. So divide by x cube. So 125 x to the power of 6 divided by x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 0. So 125 x to the power of 3 plus 1 by x cube equal to 0. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.